Kemcho Gujarat. Myself, Amit Salunkhe, General Manager ZOLLER India Private Limited. We are at ENGIMACH show 2025. ZOLLER come up with the right solution for effective tool management. If you are struggling with your tool management hardware, like you have cutting tools, you have tool holders, you have fixtures, you have gauges, and you have so many other accessories to organize. But it's the biggest pain to organize in a right manner and a right direction. So ZOLLER offer a complete comprehensive solution for effective tool management, fixture management, and a gauge management with ZOLLER Tool Management hardware and ZOLLER Tool Management software. Tool management is really an exclusive product in a market, and in Indian market we have so many installations who get benefited out of the ZOLLER solutions, and this ENGIMACH show we really get a wonderful response for this product. Many customers walk through this booth and they say, okay, we need this product because they are really suffering a lot with unorganized tool management system.